Hello and welcome to my kitchen. It's me, Kathy, and my Misfits Markets box this week had some asparagus and some organic Gouda, and I had some of those garlic scapes left over from whatever. I went to the deli and bought me a ham end, and that's all because I had the second pie crust from when we made our last quiche still in the freezer. So we're gonna make another quiche. We're gonna make a ham and asparagus and garlic scape quiche with Gouda, and it's gonna be delicious, and let's do it. Our ingredients are all prepped. Sliced asparagus, sliced garlic scapes, diced ham, and shredded Gouda. And the next thing we're gonna do is make our egg and cream mixture, and then we're gonna make our quiche. I don't know if you remember, but my recipe for quiche and for Yorkshire pudding is 1 egg for every ½ cup of milk or cream. And so we got 4 eggs, so we're gonna do 2 cups of milk or cream. And we're gonna beat up our eggs first. It's just easier to do it that way. In goes 1, and in goes. And now we're gonna whisk this up till it's all blended together. Nicely blended, and now it's time to build. Okay, we've set our pie crust on a baking sheet lined with parchment because quiches tend to be leaky. And I think the first thing we'll put in is our garlic scapes. I use all these. And I hope they cook up all right. And then the next color is ham. And then our grass. I think we use all that. And spread it around. And now we're going to season our filling with some salt and pepper. And the ham is salty, so you don't need that much. And my little secret ingredient, I can't do it with my other hand, a little sprinkle of nutmeg. And now for our cheese. And we're all set up. And the last thing to go in is our egg and half mixture. I used half and half on this one. So we're gonna pour that in, move it around so it's nice and even. Okay, we're all filled up. And I'm just gonna press this down just a little bit to see if I can get the cream to cover everything. I found a couple of garlic scapes in the container. So yep, we are ready now to go in the oven. I have preheated the oven to 325 degrees, and this should take about, 45 minutes or so, and we'll see what it looks like when it comes out. 1 hour and 5 minutes later, our quiche is done. And this is how we test. We give it a jiggle. And as you can see, there is no jiggle. So that's how we know it's done. Alrighty, here it is, our ham and asparagus quiche. It's beautiful, lightly browned, and paper slides all over the place. Whoa! And so does the quiche. Get back there. Up close, beautiful. Like I say, lightly browned. Very nice. And we can't cut it yet, so we'll see what it looks like on the inside in just a bit. I've started to cut our quiche. We're going to put it on a plate and serve it. The Gouda is really melty, so I'm not sure how easy it's going to be to get this out or neatly. But we're going to try it. It's still a little hot, but I want to finish up. So let's do it. So I got out a decent looking piece, and I'm gonna try to turn this so you can see how cheesy and delicious that looks on the inside. And yep, stuff ran all down my arm. It's pretty wet still. It needs to rest a little longer before it's perfect to eat. Quiche is actually best at room temperature. So, but that is our ham and asparagus quiche, made out of on-hand ingredients from Misfits Market and from the local deli. And now we're gonna take a bite. Here's our bite, and let's have a look inside. You can see the ham, you can see the asparagus, you can see the garlic things. Why are they called? Oh, scapes, garlic scapes. Got it. And now we're gonna take a bite. I don't like taking bites on camera, but I had to taste it, and it was fabulous. And thank you for joining me, and we'll see you again soon. It's almost Flatbread Friday, and I have a nice treat for you guys and for me too.